Hi, welcome to Physical Education Videos for All. Today, we are going to learn on how to do jumping rope side open. Side swing open is a combination of basic jump and side swing. It's alternate. Basic jump, side swing, basic jump, side swing. Let's practice first on how to do it on one side. To start, do a basic jump. And to swing on your left side, move your right arm in front of your body going to the left side, making your two hands close to each other. Make sure that your right hand is above your left hand. Swing the rope downwards, going up, and open your arms to be ready for the next basic jump. The procedure is almost the same to swing on the right side. Do a basic jump. Move your left arm in front of your body, going to the right side, making your two hands close to each other. Make sure that your left hand is above your right hand. Swing the rope downwards, going up, and open your arms to prepare for the next basic jump. Practice this on each side. After you master it, and if you're already comfortable, you can combine it. You can start slow. Master the combination first. Then after that, slowly increase the speed. You can also try other variation like alternate foot jump, or the double under side swing open. And that's all for side swing open. See you again next time.